Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the quality of your videos when you're exporting on CapCut PC. So if you press the export button, as you can see, the resolution is currently at 1080p, and for instance you want the resolution to be higher at 4K, you can just press 4K. You can also select the higher bitrate and also the higher 60 frame rate per second. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I basically have the settings to just make the quality a little bit better for the video, and you're just going to select export. And these are the settings you need to export it in a higher quality. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!